Okay, so in this question, we are looking for a few things. So first thing is to identify keywords. Yeah, so I think for many students, probably they are stuck with math, and math is pretty hard for many kids, including my own kids as well. So we want to go by a process which is use what? Okay, use what? So look at average. Okay, so when you look at average, the formula that should pop out your head should be average is equals to total over quantity. Okay, all right. So meaning that there are 3. So meaning that this one there are 3 and 420 will be here. So total will be average times 3. 420 times 3. Okay. Okay. Next one, you're looking at a 3-digit number. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 missing digits. Okay. 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 So anyway, find the total mass of the tin or sardines and beans. Okay. So first thing first, we want to look at this one and to find the total. Okay, so the top process is we have 3 and you can put them into model C as B, and we are looking at the sardine and beans and these 2. Okay, okay, and we have 430. Okay, which means that the go-to step is what's the total? Yeah, so the total will be 3 times 430. Okay, which is equals to a number. Okay, yeah, where's my calculator? Okay, 3 times 430, which is 1290. Okay, and then 1290, and this is a part whole model. So after you take 1290 minus of 430, you will get 830. So this is something that you must know, which is the linking of the keyword, picking out the formula to stand by, and then put them into models. So model drawing is very important to help you to solve fast. Okay, so right now, they want the largest possible difference between sardines and the beans. Okay, so we have the sardines, we have the beans, and then it's good to list out the 3 digits. And then to better cope, you can put in the numbers. Okay, so the total is 830. And remember, part A answer can be used for part B. That's also something that you must remember. Okay, so the first step is, this is a 9, right? This is a 0. So this is a 1. So this is step 1. Okay. And then, because it's already 4, the other one should be 3 to make it into the largest possible difference. So if 1 is 4, the other one must be at the other far end. If 1 is 4 something, the gap must be as wide as possible. So you want to, the best is put 301. Okay. Wait, this is a 9. This is a something 1. So the best is like 300. But you know that this one must be a 9. Okay, now we are still experimenting. Yeah, so now we have a, okay, so this is step 2. So now this is a 3. Okay, so we want this to be max. So we have 0 to 9. What is the maximum? The biggest digit, 0 to 9. So 0 to 9, the biggest is 9. So this is a 9. So this is step 3. So meaning that this is 491. And tada, we have the number out. So we take 830 minus 491 to give you 339. Okay, so this is a 3. It's not a 0. And then the difference, step 1, step 2, step 3. So the difference will be 491 minus 339 to give you 152. And that's the answer.